All right, Bitcoin holders, welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well and hanging in there right now for Bitcoin. So, guys, will Bitcoin, continue to drop? Will it get worse? And that is exactly what I want to talk about for today's video. Now, there is, in fact, a lot of different predictions out there right now, around the crypto space right now, right, for this cycle, okay? There's two different sides. On one side, a lot of people are in fact saying that this cycle will be extending, that the Bitcoin 4 year cycle will be breaking, okay, and that this bull cycle will be extending and Bitcoin will go much higher and will be reaching new all-time highs. And then there's the other side, okay, and people are in fact saying that the bull cycle is officially over, okay, that the bull market is over and we are now entering a bear market. Now, I told you guys many times, okay, for the past few days and weeks, that personally, I truly do not believe that Bitcoin, okay, has topped. Okay, the cycle top is not in yet. But I must say, right now, it is not looking too good for Bitcoin. Okay, because Bitcoin did do something today, okay, that I do want to show you guys. Okay, so right now, it is not looking too good for Bitcoin. Okay, I must say, maybe we do see a bounce back up to the upside. Maybe we don't. Okay, I really do not know at this point, guys. But on my side, okay, I'm still sticking with it. Okay, I told you guys many times that personally, I truly do believe that 126 is not the top for Bitcoin, and I do believe that we will see Bitcoin going much higher. Okay, so as much as I believe in that, I really don't know if that will happen at this point. Okay, there's a lot of different assumptions here. Okay, different sides here. So I want to talk about it for today's video. If we will see Bitcoin getting worse, right? Will this get worse? So let's talk about it, guys. So looking at the Bitcoin price today, yeah, Bitcoin is just holding just below 96K. So right now it's currently at $95.9 thousand. Earlier today, okay, earlier this morning, we did actually see Bitcoin dropping all the way down as low as $92.9 thousand, just below 93K. Okay, but right now it is bouncing back up. Okay, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, you guys can clearly see Bitcoin is slightly bouncing back up to the upside. Okay, I was looking a little bit worse, okay, earlier today, right? But Bitcoin is now bouncing back up to the upside. So Bitcoin is still at these 90K levels, okay? But yeah, we're not seeing huge moves right now, guys. Okay, we know the crypto market in general for the past few days has not been looking too good. Okay, I must say, past 24 hours, we are in fact seeing a lot of reds. Okay, a lot of reds all around for alts. Okay, including Bitcoin, right? So yeah, nothing has really changed today, right? We are in fact seeing some greens for some altcoins, but you'll see majority of altcoins, they are still down, okay? And today they're still down. Some of them are dropping like over 2%, some 5%, over 5%. So yeah, it is not looking too good for altcoins, I must say, guys. And I feel like this is a good lesson on why you guys need to own more Bitcoin than altcoins in your portfolio. Because you guys need to understand, okay, if you guys hold majority of altcoins or you guys just hold altcoins, okay, I know you guys are down right now, okay, and it's not a good feeling. I know that. So I feel like this is a good lesson on why you guys should hold more Bitcoin than altcoins. Well, I told you guys this for many years. Okay, I feel like a healthy crypto portfolio is like 70% Bitcoin and then the other 30% is just altcoins, right? It could be one altcoin, like your favorite altcoin, okay, or different altcoins, right? But I just feel like that is a very healthy, crypto portfolio to have, okay, to hold more Bitcoin than alts, right? We know Bitcoin is clearly going to be the clear winner here. It really is, the safest bet, especially long term. We know Bitcoin is not going to go anywhere. And Bitcoin, so far this bull cycle has outperformed altcoins. Remember, guys, we haven't seen alt season truly happening yet. Okay, I mean, yeah, we did in fact see some altcoins reaching back up to its previous highs, even reaching a new all-time high, like for example Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum did reach a new all-time high of like 4.9K. We did in fact also see some other alts like XRP and Solana reaching new all-time highs, but we didn't see major moves. Okay, like a lot of people were expecting Ethereum to reach 8 to 10K this cycle, and clearly that hasn't even happened yet. Okay, so maybe we do see alts extending, okay, for the cycle, but I don't think Bitcoin will be extending. Just my personal opinion. I could be wrong, guys. Okay. But yeah, looking at the Bitcoin monthly returns, yeah, we are down 13%, guys. Okay, over 13%. So it is not looking too good for this month of November, guys. Okay, I must say. In general, not just Bitcoin, but just crypto in general, man, it is not looking too good at all. And if we're looking at the Fin Greed Index right now, yesterday we were in fact in extreme fear. We were sitting at 10s. Today it's slightly going back up, but it's not a huge difference. We're still in extreme fear, guys. Okay, so we know the sentiment hasn't really been changing. Okay, we know there is a lot of fear surrounding Bitcoin and crypto right now. So this is the best time to accumulate, guys. Okay, it really, really is. While there is fear in the market, this is the best time to accumulate. Okay, remember, guys, just a year ago, right? Over a year ago, pretty much, when Bitcoin was, about to reach 100K, and when it did reach 100K, right? The Fin Greed Index was in greed mode, in extreme greed, pretty much, right? I don't know if you guys, remember that, but it was in greed mode. Okay, and now Bitcoin is just below 100K, right? Yes, clear slash just below 96K right now, so pretty much just below 100K. The Fin Greed Index is an extreme fear. Just think about that, how times have changed so much. Okay, I feel like people are panicking for no reason. Just my personal opinion. I truly do believe people are literally panicking for no reason, guys. Okay, and I get it, right? Times like this can be scary, especially if you guys are new to crypto, right? You guys are probably not used to, the volatility. Okay, we know Bitcoin is really, really volatile, and crypto in general. Okay, it really, really is. Like, I've been in crypto for over 5 years now, and I'm used to it. Like, this is literally a normal day to me, right? It really, really is. Especially, back last month, October 10th, when we had the biggest liquidation day for crypto, right? Over 19 billions wiped out from the crypto market. That was a normal day. Okay, I must say I was a little bit scared. I was like confused. What is happening right now? Okay, alts like dropped like 80% to even 90%. Some alts even dropped like 90% on that day. It was crazy, right? I was a little bit scared, but everything just bounced back up, and I was just like, yeah, this is just a regular day in crypto. Okay. But yeah, looking at this, guys, so I want to share this with you guys because this just happened today, right? And it's actually pretty interesting. So it says here, Bitcoin has just closed its weekly candle below the 50-week moving average for the first time since March 2023. We need to bounce and close above $103,000 this week, or else we are totally screwed, right? So yeah, it is not looking too good for Bitcoin, guys. Okay, I mean, it has broke down from the 50-week moving average, okay, and it hasn't done this since March of 2023, which is over 2 years now, right? So yeah, it has not been looking too good right now for Bitcoin, I must say. Okay, if we're looking at it on this chart, right? So yeah, Bitcoin is back below the 50-week moving average for the first time since price we're at $22,000. Trend officially lost, right? So in a way, yes, this is pretty bearish, right? Bitcoin did not hold above the 50-week moving average. Okay, has broke down below it. So does that mean it will go lower? Okay, will it get worse? There is potential for that, but I truly do believe a bounce will still come for Bitcoin, guys. Okay, I truly do. Okay, so it says over here, Bitcoin is testing the 2025 yearly open, and the weekly candle has closed above it. If BTC holds this level, it could be the bottom for now, and we can see a bounce from here. And hopefully we do. Okay, hopefully we do see a bounce from here, guys, because as I told you guys many times, I don't think 126 is the top. Okay, I really don't. Okay, and like I said, guys, a lot of us can be wrong because there's a lot of people out there that are in fact saying, like myself, that 126 is not the top, and we'll see Bitcoin going much, much higher. Okay, but personally, guys, I truly do believe it can go higher, right? Maybe the cycle will be extending. Okay, maybe the Bitcoin 4-year cycle will be breaking. Okay, maybe we'll have to see, guys, right? But yeah, looking at this chart, guys, okay, will peak soon. Okay, will Bitcoin have a peak soon? And I truly do believe what this chart is in fact showing us here is we're pretty much going to have a last run up for Bitcoin, a final leg up to the upside before we enter a bear market. Okay, so I do believe personally this will be happening for Bitcoin. I do believe, like I said, it will continue to go much, much higher. It's going to go back up to 126, even reaching a new all-time high. I truly do believe this is very, very possible. Okay. Now I want to show you guys this clip. Okay, and this person has the highest RQ ever in the world, right? He is the highest RQ record holder, okay, and he is bullish on Bitcoin. And he posted this video. When was this? Was this today? Yes, this was today, right? I want you guys to listen to this because he says here, as world's highest RQ record holder, I expect Bitcoin is going to $220,000 in the next 45 days, okay? I will use 100% of my Bitcoin profits to build churches for Jesus Christ in every nation. With God, nothing shall be impossible. Okay, so I want to show you guys this clip. It's actually pretty interesting, right?
As world's highest record holder, I expect Bitcoin is going to $220,000 in the next 45 days. I will use 100% of my Bitcoin profit to build churches for Jesus Christ in every nations.
All right, guys. So there you guys have it. Pretty interesting, right? So he is, in fact, making a prediction here that in the next 45 days, Bitcoin will skyrocket over 200K, $220,000. Is that possible? Probably not. Okay, probably not, guys. Okay, I don't think we will, like, as you guys know, I'm very, very bullish on Bitcoin. Okay, but I'm just trying to be realistic with you guys. Okay, personally, I don't think we will see Bitcoin reaching 200K this cycle. I know I've said this many times in the past, like a couple months back. Okay, but just think about it now, guys. Like, time is running out, and I don't think Bitcoin, right, the 4-year cycle will be breaking. Okay, or the cycle will be extending for Bitcoin. Maybe for alts, like I said, but not for Bitcoin, right? So if Bitcoin were to reach over 200K, it would need to move like ASAP, like now, right? So I don't know, guys. Okay, I mean, this guy, okay, even though he is, the world's highest record holder for RQ and whatnot, right? He is a smart man, I guess. He has been wrong in the past. Okay, he has been wrong. And understand, guys, we all have been wrong in the past. Like for the last bull cycle back in 2021, a lot of people, right, were making predictions about Bitcoin, saying, Bitcoin was going to be reaching 100K in the 2021 bull cycle. Clearly, that didn't happen, and a lot of predictions were wrong, right? Bitcoin didn't even reach 70K. It went as high as 69K. So understand, guys, we may all be wrong. No one out there, okay, realistically knows where the top will be for Bitcoin. I could be wrong, okay? I could be wrong. Maybe 126 is the top, but I don't want to believe that because I have a feeling like it just has to go higher. And there isn't, in fact, an indicator that I have, in fact, been showing you guys. It's called the past cycle indicator, and I showed you guys this indicator many times. It's literally like a cheat code to tell when the cycle top is in for Bitcoin. Okay, I already showed you guys this in a couple of days ago in my video, right? Like 2-3 days ago. Okay, but yeah, pretty interesting. Okay, let me know in the comments down below, guys. Do you guys think we will see Bitcoin reaching 200K in 45 days? Let me know. I'd love to know, guys. Okay, but looking at this, guys, okay, in the more bullish side for Bitcoin, okay, this is a historic moment, right? So today, 95% of total Bitcoin supply has now been mined. 95%, guys. That is amazing. So pretty much, guys, we are almost there, okay, to seeing the total supply for Bitcoin being mined. But you guys need to understand the last Bitcoin to be mined is the year 2140. Okay, roughly the year 2140. That's what it says here. Okay. And a lot of people are in fact saying that as well. For the past few years, a lot of people have in fact been saying that the last Bitcoin will be mined in the year 2140. Okay. So we're only 5% away, guys. Okay. We would need to wait like what, over 100 years? Just over 100 years. So yeah. Pretty interesting, guys. Okay, pretty interesting. We know the Bitcoin halving event, okay, the supply, the reward is going to be, lower and lower and lower, okay? So it's going to be harder eventually over time to mine Bitcoin, right? It's going to take some time, guys. But yeah, looking at this, guys, and this was posted pretty much a year ago, right? November 22, 2024, so almost a year ago. And this person says, thanks, Bitcoin, right? And apparently this guy purchased a Porsche 911 GTR, okay, with Bitcoin apparently. So think about it now, November 2022, that's when Bitcoin was starting to move up to the upside, right? So this guy took some profits, I'm guessing. So pretty cool to see, right? And this is what Bitcoin does to you guys, right? You can go ahead and purchase things like this, okay, with your Bitcoins, right? You really, really can. But personally, guys, I would not do it now. I would simply just buy and hodl majority of my Bitcoins right now, because I really do believe if you want a car like this, you would need less than a Bitcoin to buy a car like this. Okay, right now you would need a couple of Bitcoins to buy this car, right? But I really do believe down in the future you would need like maybe just 10% of a Bitcoin, right? 0.1 Bitcoin to buy a car like this easily, right, in the future. So that is that. Okay, but pretty cool to see in general, right? Pretty cool to see. But yeah, I posted this 2 days ago. Okay, and I said here, please don't sell your Bitcoin. It will go up again. Bitcoin is designed to go up forever. Bitcoin is limited. So they are trying to make people sell it so institutions can buy cheaper, hodl your Bitcoins. And that's true, guys. Okay, they are simply just spreading FUD for Bitcoin. Okay, we know the markets are in fact manipulated. Okay, so these guys, okay, they want your Bitcoins. They're trying to spread FUD so that you guys can panic sell your Bitcoin so they can buy it off you. Okay, so understand, guys, you need to buy and hodl your Bitcoins. Okay, we know Bitcoin, there is a limited supply. We know Bitcoin is the most scarce asset out there right now in the entire world. Okay, it really, really is. Nothing is more scarce than Bitcoin, right? So there is not enough Bitcoins to go around for everyone, guys. Again, like I said, right, we just saw 95% of Bitcoin have been mined. So just think about that, guys, right? You want to hold your Bitcoins. The Bitcoins that you guys are in fact, accumulating, okay, the Satoshis, okay, the stats that you guys are buying, you want to hold it for as long as you possibly can, okay? So that is that, guys. We know Bitcoin is designed to go up forever. Look at this chart, right? Just look at this chart. Over time, yes, Bitcoin goes up and then it goes down and then it goes up, okay, and then it goes down. Right now it's going up, okay, and then eventually it's going to go down and then it will bounce back up again. Okay, remember, guys, Bitcoin will go up again. Okay, we go through different cycles, a bear cycle and a bull cycle. Okay, right now we're in a bull cycle. We're about to enter a bear cycle, right? And then we're going to enter a bull cycle once again. Okay, so Bitcoin is truly designed to go up forever. Okay, it really, really is. Short term, yes, it's volatile, but long term, it always recovers. It always goes back up to its previous highs and reaches a new all-time high. Understand that, guys. Just look at the chart, right, over the years for Bitcoin. Okay, so that is that. You simply would just want to buy and hold all your Bitcoins. So Saylor posted this today saying big week, and he's pretty much hinting that, another buy is coming. Right, that Saylor, okay, and Strategy, they're gonna continue to buy more Bitcoin. Okay, so another orange circle is coming. So we know, guys, okay, the Strategy tracker, okay, this is pretty much showing the purchases, okay, that's Strategy have made, right? So these orange circles, okay, of course, the bigger the circle, the bigger the purchase, and yeah, throughout 2024 to 2025, we have seen some big purchases from Strategy. Okay, massive purchases. And right now, they hodl over 641,000 Bitcoins. And I do believe tomorrow that's going to change, right? That will change because they are buying more Bitcoin, guys. Okay, they're simply DCAing, right? And Saylor also posted this 2 days ago saying, we bought Bitcoin every day this week. This is amazing. Okay, he is buying, guys. He knows that this is the best time to buy. So it's amazing to see that, they are buying Bitcoin pretty much every day this week. Very cool to see, right? Very, very bullish. Now, I talked about this, guys, okay, the Pi Cycle Top Indicator. Okay, and like I said, this indicator is really, really simple. Okay, so there's two key moving averages. Okay, this orange line, right? So this is the 111-day moving average. Okay, and this green line is the 350-day moving average. Okay, and every single time these two key moving averages cross, okay, like they cross, right, what it shows here, in 2021 and 2017, even in 2013, that is pretty much indicating where the cycle top is for Bitcoin. So you guys can clearly see right now, the 2 key moving averages have not crossed yet. Okay, now this is pretty spot on, right? Because you guys can clearly see, if you look back in 2021, right, the last bull cycle, it crossed right over here, and that was pretty much the top for Bitcoin. Same with 2017. Okay, it crossed right over here. That was pretty much the top. Okay, same with 2013, right? 2013, 2014, it crossed. Okay, so every single time these 2 key moving averages crossed, it indicates where the top will be for Bitcoin. Okay, this is literally like a cheat code if you really think about it, right? So you have to clearly see right now, it has not crossed. They're not even close to each other. So this is telling me that Bitcoin is going higher, right? It's going higher. Okay, it has to go higher, right? Unless I'm wrong here. Okay, unless this indicator is wrong. Maybe this time is different, right? You know how people say that this time is different. Maybe this time is different. Who exactly knows? But you have to clearly see these 2 key moving averages. Okay, 111-day moving average and the 350-day moving average, they haven't even crossed yet. They're not even close to each other. So this is telling me that Bitcoin has potential to go much, much higher, right? So that is that, guys. But like I said, guys, I do believe Bitcoin is going to be going higher. I do. But you guys let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? Okay, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know, okay, whether you guys think Bitcoin will have a bounce back up to the upside, or will it just get worse? Okay, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know. But that being said, guys, I truly appreciate you guys for watching today's video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. That is always much, much appreciated. And yeah, I will catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.